What is that?
Airplane.
No, what's the whole thing? Can you tell me what each piece is?
No, I say airplane.
Okay, airplane.
And I think airplane. Why don't you it? Right
Yeah?
there.
Where's Boston?
There.
Yeah? And what's the other thing?
It's Chile.
Chile?
He's with it.
Chile's right there?
Hey, what's it?
I don't know. What is that? Okay. What's this over here? Lucas, what's this one? What's this one?
Cold.
It's cold.
It's cold ice.
And what's this over here?
I don't know.
You put it there. Is that where Yaya comes from?
No, you.
Where I come from?
Yes, you and Yaya, and you're all them going with it, and go with there, and I take off me, and go way up there, and I go back right there.
Yeah.
See that?
Look at that.
And I know why I'm going to Chile.
You want to go to Chile?
No, Chile is right there.
Yeah, I know that. That's
Well, this one is good. Go right there. It's really cool too.
very nice. Okay.
You all sit right before everybody together?